just came out with a new phone on Android.
I think this is it.
Is that it?
Well, it's pretty well brand new.
When did you get it?
About 3 weeks ago.
It's a Motorola?
Yeah, the XT860.
It's got the Android system?
Yep.
Wow.
I'm filming them with my video camera right now. Can't see Twiggy.
Does it pick up audio too?
Oh yeah, it's recording us. Twiggy's so far ahead you can't see her right now.
Twiggy, come.
This is Vandal right here, everybody. And here's Twiggy. Vandal is funny story behind his name. Alright, that's enough.